Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Circular infographic layout in Photoshop using custom shapes. I begin by opening a square canvas for circular composition. Then I draw a large circle shape to act as the infographic base. Now I add smaller circle and arc shapes around it for sections. Next, I space each section evenly to maintain clarity. After that, I apply different colors to separate information visually. I adjust alignment so everything follows the circular flow. Then I zoom out to review readability and spacing. Finally, I refine proportions until the infographic feels well structured.